to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your maths teacher. So students, today we will learn math subject. So take out your saffron textbook, take writing materials with you, sit straight, pay attention. So students, in our last period, we have learned how to do subtraction of one digit number from a two digit number. Okay, this new concept we have learned, and how to subtract by counting backwards even though upside two digits are there and below only one digit is there. So this how you can do subtraction by counting backward, that also we have learnt in the last period. Okay, now the new concept is story sums. Okay, story sums. Students, you are little bit familiar with this concept because this story sums sorry, we have already learned what it is in the addition, this one addition chapter. Okay, story sums means, see, small sum, they will form a story of a small sum and they will frame the story, and you have to read each sentence and find out the numbers and do the addition or subtraction. Okay, last time we have learnt addition because it was addition chapter. Now we are learning subtraction. Okay, so how subtraction sums we can do by reading this story sums that we are going to learn. Students, do you remember few words which you will get in the story sums of addition? Total, sum, altogether. Okay, these are all the words which you will get in the story sums of addition, है ना? Total, altogether, sum, ये words कहाँ पे मिलेंगे आपको? Addition के story sums में. Okay, now subtraction is there. So what you will get? See which words you will find out in the this one sentences. Left, remaining, these are the words which you will find out in the story sums of subtraction. Okay, कौन से है? Left, remaining. Okay, these are the words. So easily you can find out. Okay, if story sum is given and in that story sum if you will find the word like total, altogether, sum, then you can directly do out addition. If in the story sum you will find the words like left, remaining, how many, this means left how many, if these words you will get, then directly you can do the subtraction. But then too you have to carefully read the sentence. Okay. Example, there are 5 bananas on a plate. See, can you see 5 bananas on a plate? Yes. Bolu ate 3 bananas. From these 5, Bolu ate 3 bananas. Okay. How many bananas are left now? From 5, Bolu ate 3. How many are left? See, which number you got first? 5. So 5 is there. Then 3. Below that 5 you write 3. What they have asked? How many bananas are left? Left, left. Okay. So left it will come for subtraction. So do the subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. So there are 2 bananas left on the plate. Got it, students? Next, there are 15 chocolates with Madhurya. Okay, there are 15 chocolates. So here you can see 15 chocolates. Good. And also you got first number. What? It is 15. So here you can see 15. She gives 4 chocolates to her brother. From 15, 4 she gives to brother. So second number is 4. So you can write here 4. Okay. Now, how many chocolates are left with Madhurya now? Okay. देखो 15 चॉकलेट्स थे, उसमें से उसने 4 ब्रदर को दे दिया. Now how many are left? अभी कितने बचे हैं? Okay, left. So again you can do the subtraction. So 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. What is the answer? 11. Okay. Thus Madhurya is left with 11 chocolates. Okay. See, here you can do 5 minus 4. As I have told you this one method. First you can go from ones place and then from the tens place. So first we will go from ones place. Which number is there? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. How much? 1. So answer is 1. And here tens place only 1 is there. Is there any number? No. So as it is 1. So answer is 1, 1, 11. Got it? Only the thing is that while doing story sums or while solving story sums, you have to just concentrate or read the sentences properly. Solve the following subtraction stories. Okay. Rashmi bought 8 bangles. Okay. Rashmi, a girl, she bought 8 bangles. How many? 8 bangles. Bangle यानी चूड़ी. Okay. Bangles. 3 bangles broke. What happened? 3 bangles broke. Can you see here? 3 bangles broke. Now from 8, 3 broke. Which is the first number? 8. So 8. Okay. Then 3. Then what they have asked? How many bangles are left with Rashmi now? Left. Okay. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 3. Come on. 8 fingers minus 3. How many are left? 5. So 5 is the answer. Right. Thus, Rashmi is left with 5 bangles. Right. Now, Swastik has 9 kites. Before this, children, I want to tell you something. See, whenever we will write the numbers, okay, whether it is 2 digit or 1 digit, when we will write that number for doing sums, for addition, for subtraction, we will write them as ones and tens. We will divide them in ones and tens, so that we will come to know the place value. Okay. So this is ones place, right hand and left hand tens place. Okay. Got it? Ones place and tens place. Now here 8 is only 1 digit number. Okay. It is only 1 digit number. So always you have to start writing from which place? Ones place. So 8. Okay. Next is 3. Again same rule. Start from the ones place. So 3. Got it? Now after doing a subtraction, what you got as answer? 5. Same thing. Go from the ones place. Okay. Or else you have done the subtraction of this line, means of ones place. So there only you will write the answer. If you will write like this 5 over here, is that correct? अगर मैंने ये 5 आंसर यहाँ पे लिखा तो ये करेक्ट है क्या? नो, नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि हमने ये वंस प्लेस का सॉल्व किया है ना, तो उसी के नीचे ही आंसर आएगा। गॉट इट एवरीवन? राइट। नेक्स्ट, स्वस्तिक हैज 9 kites. Okay, swastik has 9 kites. 9 kites are there with swastik. Can you see your kites? Yes. Now from this 9 kites, he gives 2 kites to his sister. 2 kites gives to sister. From 9, 2 gives to sister. First number I got 9, then 2. Okay. How many kites are left with swastik now? From 9, 2 went. How many are left? 7. Okay. So swastik is left with 7 kites. Right. Do it fast. Okay, next. Zakaria has 13 pencils. Okay. Zakaria has 13 pencils. He gives 2 pencils to his sister. Okay. How many pencils are there? 13 pencils. How many? 13 pencils. Can you see here? Total 13 pencils are there. So from 13 he gives 2 pencils to sister. 13 में से 2 pencils उसने sister को दिए. First digit I got, first number I got 13. Now 13 is 2 digit number. Okay. So easily you can write ones and tens. Next number I got 2. Okay. 2 is 1 digit number. So from which place you will start? Ones place. So 2. How many pencils are left with Zakaria now? Okay. Do the subtraction ones, tens. Solve from the ones place first. Ones place पे 2 numbers कौन से है? 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2. How much? 1. On tens place only 1 number is there. Is there any number below? No. So as it is. So 1, 1, 11. Zakaria is left with 11 pencils. Okay. Right. Do it fast. Next, Ishita has 17 eggs. Okay, Ishita, she was having how many? She has how many eggs? 17. How many? 17. So first number I got 17. It is 2 digit number. So you can write in ones and tens. 5 eggs break. Can you see here? 5 eggs break. So 5. How many eggs are left with Ishita now? Come on, do the subtraction. Now this you will do by counting backward. Okay, one example we will see like this. Yes, from which number we have to start? Yes, now 17 this keep in mind. 5 fingers, because 5 we have to subtract, so 5 fingers. 17 keep in mind. Count backward. Okay, start 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Okay, so Ishita is left with 12 eggs. Right. See students, there are many methods of doing subtraction. Whichever you will find easy, you can do. Okay, you can use the number strip, you can do on fingers, you can do by drawing lines, you can do by direct counting backward, anyhow, but answer should be correct. Do it fast. Done students? Okay. So in this way we have to do the story sums. Okay. It's very easy. Just you need to read the sentences carefully and just go on writing the numbers as you get. Fine? Okay. Next is properties of subtraction. What? Properties of subtraction. Students, we have seen some fact rules about the addition. Okay, like that there are some about the subtraction. Okay, let us see what it is. Subtracting 0. Subtracting 0. Now see students, below also one number is there and above also one number is there and below also one number is there. Okay, like this. 4 minus 2. So it's very easy to do the subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2 is answer. So above also one number is there and below also one number is there. Now suppose there is number below is 0. अगर नीचे वाला नंबर 0 हो तो आंसर क्या आएगा? देखो, Fabian and Manjeet are playing together. Fabian has 3 toy cars. She does not give any car to Manjeet to play with him. How many toys are left with Fabian? See, Fabian and Manjeet, they are playing together. Okay, Fabian has 3 toy cars. How many? 3 toy cars. Can you see in the hand? Yes. She does not give any car to Manjeet to play with him. उसने एक भी कार मंजीत को खेलने के लिए नहीं दिया. Okay. How many toy cars are left with Fabian? तो उसके पास कितने रह गए? Come on, tell me quickly, think and tell how many are left. See, one more time I will read. Fabian was having 3 toy cars. Okay. She does not give any toy to Manjeet. So how many are left with Fabian? Of course, same. Yes, na? Why? Because she didn't give any single toy car to Manjeet. So she will be left with same number. देखो, उसके पास कितने टॉय कार्स थे? फैबियन के पास 3 टॉय कार्स थे. तो मंजीत को उसने एक भी टॉय कार नहीं दिया. तो उसके पास कितने बचे? जितने थे उतने ही बचेंगे, है ना? The toy cars, how much it was there with her, that much only will left. So how much was that? 3. And nothing she will give means 0. Yes or no? 3 थे उसके पास, उसने कुछ नहीं दिया, यानी 0. How many are left? 3. So what is the thing? When you subtract 0 from any number, okay, when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get answer as the same number. Okay. Now here 3 minus 3. What is the answer? देखो हम फिंगर पे भी करते हैं. 3 minus 3. 0 करके आप ऐसे दिखा सकते हो फिंगर पे? नहीं दिखा सकते. Yes or no? 3 minus 3. How many are left? 3 only. So 3. Okay. By drawing lines also we will see. 1, 2, 3. 0 we have to cancel. 0 यानी कुछ भी नहीं करना है. कुछ भी नहीं, तो कितने रह गए? 3 ही रह गए. ओके, सो दिस इज द subtraction fact that 0 if we will subtract from any number, you will get the answer as the number itself. ओके, जो कुछ भी नंबर हो जिससे आप 0 माइनस कर रहे हो उस वो ही नंबर आपको आंसर में मिलेगा. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. Okay, this was about 0. Next, subtracting 1 from the number. Okay, अभी 0 देखा हमने, अभी हम देखेंगे 1. If you will subtract 1 from the number, then what you will get? See, listen to the children's talk. Fabian gives 1 toy car to Manjeet. Okay, see, she was having 3, but she hasn't given 1 before. Okay, 1 also she has not given. Now Fabian has given 1 toy car to Manjeet. How many cars are left with Fabian? Okay, 3 were there, 1 she has given. Now how many are left? See, first number I got 3. Then 1 toy car to Manjeet. So 1 she gives. How many are left? 3 minus 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. Okay. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number just before that number. See children, when you subtract 1 from any number, okay, now here 3 is there. I will show you one more example. But remember, when you subtract 1 from any number, so when you will get the answer, it is the number just before the given number. Okay, now see, here before 3 can you tell which number comes? 3 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 2. So here you got 2 as answer. Okay, now we will see 5 minus 1. What comes before 5? 5 के पहले कौन आता है? 4. Okay, now do the subtraction. Let us check the answer. 5 minus 1. How many? 4. See, it is correct na? So, whenever you will subtract 1 from any number, the answer is just before the given number. Okay, one more example. 7 minus 1. Which number before 7? 6. Now, 7 minus 1. 6. Okay? Got it everyone? देखो, याद रखो, जब भी आप 1 माइनस करते हो नंबर में से, तो आंसर आपको क्या मिलता है? जो नंबर दिया हुआ होता है ना, उसके जस्ट पहले वाला जो नंबर होता है वही आपको आंसर मिलता है. ओके, सी what does Fabian says? Okay Revati, hi Manjeet, you take 1 toy car. Can you see her? Yes. Fabian, you should learn to share your things. This is good habit. See children, whenever you have chocolates, toy cars or anything, okay, you should learn to share your things. It's very good habit, okay. Like fighting with others, not sharing your things, it is very bad habit. आपके पास जो कुछ भी है, चॉकलेट्स है, टॉय कार्स है या फिर पेंसिल्स है, अगर दूसरों को चाहिए या फिर दूसरों के साथ आपको खेलना है, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? शेयर करना चाहिए. क्या करना चाहिए? शेयर करना चाहिए. So what does this Manjit says? Thank you. Okay, Fabian. Okay, next. So this was about the 1. Next, subtracting a number from itself. Now students see, if you will subtract the same number from itself, अगर दोनों भी नंबर आपको सेम ही है और आप सब्ट्रैक्शन वहाँ पे करते हो तो क्या आंसर मिलता है? सी, here you go, Manjeet, you can take all my cars. What happens? Fabian gives all cars to Manjeet. Oh, you are very sweet, Fabian. Thank you so much. Now, Fabian gives all toy cars to, Fabian gives all toy cars to Manjeet. Now, how many others left with Fabian? 0. Okay. See, Fabian gives all toy cars to Manjeet. How many toy cars are left with Fabian? Fabian is left with 0 toy cars. Okay. उसके पास कितने बचे थे? 2 बचे थे, लेकिन 2 भी उसने क्या कर दिया? मंजीत को दे दिया, तो उसके पास कितने रह गए? कितने रह गए? कुछ भी नहीं, मीन्स 0. ओके, देखो 2 में से 2 गए, 0. 2 minus 2. How many? Can you see any finger? Can you see? No. So 0. जब भी दोनों नंबर सेम होते हैं और दोनों सेम नंबर होने के बाद आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो तो आंसर क्या मिलता है? 0 मिलता है. क्या मिलता है? 0. ओके, सी 4 minus 4. 1 2 3 4. How many are left? 0. Even if you will draw the lines, see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, cancel 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Is there any left? No. So answer is 0. Anyhow you do, you on fingers or else on by drawing lines. Anyhow if you will do, you will get the same answer. Okay, समझ में आया? These were the 3 properties of subtraction. Understood? These were the 3 properties of subtraction. What was the first? Subtracting 0. Okay, if 0 you will minus from any number, the answer you will get the number itself. Next, subtracting 1. If you subtract 1 from any number, the answer you will get the number just before the number. And subtracting a number itself. If both the numbers are same and you will subtract, the answer you will get always as 0. Okay, understood? So students, today we have learned story sums, okay, and properties of subtraction. Remaining part we will see in the next period. Thank you.